Have you ever wanted to take some delicious Wagyu beef back home with you after your trip to Japan? Wagyu beef, or Japanese brand beef, is widely known to be some of the most delicious, luxurious, and high-quality beef in the world. And I'm sure some of you have wanted to take it back home with you after having a taste of it in Japan. Now there's a way to do that thanks to a brand new service provided by ZIPAIR. Before we do that, I'm going to be going for a lovely little Wagyu lunch with a special friend of mine who's been on this channel a bunch of times. And we're going to learn about what makes Wagyu beef so special.
Bring your Wagyu beef you buy in Japan and take it back to your home country.
That is amazing. Before I go trek through this sweltering Shinjuku heat, don't forget to subscribe for more Japan adventures like this one. Let's go! Long time no see.
Long time no see.
This is Lena, everybody.
Hi, everyone.
For those of you guys who've been watching the channel for a long time, you've seen Lena in a bunch of our videos, and now she's even hosting some videos of her own on the channel.
They'll be out on Thursdays, sometimes Fridays, so don't miss it.
Yes, make sure to check those out. And today, I'm really happy that we can be in a video together again. And we're in bustling Shinjuku. As you can see, there's a lot going on. We're gonna be going to a yakiniku restaurant that serves really high quality Wagyu beef from all over the world called Ushi Jirushi. And they're known for also serving their beef in the most visually stunning ways ever. So I'm really excited to check that out.
Very excited, can't wait.
Can't wait. Should we go inside?
What are we waiting for?
All right, let's get some Wagyu.
Let's go.
Ooh, this is a gorgeous restaurant. ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
There's really beautiful artwork everywhere. The lighting is really kind of moody, mysterious, and there are these really incredible red windows over on the edge. Oh!
すごい! Oh my goodness!
What?
Massive!
The dry ice is like incredible looking Wagyu beef. Oh my god.
今日は増田和牛といって群馬県のお肉ですね。我々の生産者の方にすごいこだわってて、自分たちで直接お肉生産者の方に会いに行って見に行って決めてます。今このお出ししたお肉、これ実際に使ってもうお肉今日いっぱい食べたなっていうようになっていただきたいなっていうところです、ね。
楽しみ。
はい、よろしくお願いします。
わかりました。
こちらが今日お肉のお寿司でございます。でお肉は先ほど増田和牛のサーロインを使ったお寿司でございますので、そのまんま召し上がってください。
Oh my goodness!
That is really good. And it's not what I was expecting at all. The sauce is incredible. The meat is so juicy.
It's just one piece, but it's so satisfying.
It almost tastes like the sweetness of apples,
It does.
sweet
It
barbecue
does.
sauce. Really good.
こちらのシャトーブリアンのお肉でございますね。これをこの後サンドイッチにしていくので、この後お焼きしていきます。
That looks so good.
今日のシャトーブリアンですと、私ども焼肉トラジという会社がやってまして、その焼肉トラジで自社牧場、トラジファームという自社牧場を持ってまして、そこで黒毛和牛を僕たちの社員仲間たちが実際に作ってまして、そのお肉今日はトラジ和牛のシャトーブリアンを使ってますね。
That looks so good.
I feel like I'm dreaming right now.
I think the plate adds to the illusion. It's like floating in a sky.
I know, it's so dreamy.
The meat is so tender, so juicy. The bread on the inside is really fluffy, sweet.
You're right. It's like a beautiful symphony of sweetness and rich umami flavor. It's really good.
でこちらこの後お焼きするお肉でございますね。でこれよかったらこちら和牛の赤身のお肉。もしお酒飲まれるようでしたらワインとかもすごい合うんですけど、よかったらご一緒にいかがですか。
ぜひ。
じゃあご一緒にご用意しますね。
いや、お願いします。乾杯。
お肉のお尻だったり肩だったりいろんな場所によって一番ベストな焼き方がありまして、一応うちはスタッフがお肉を焼きするんで、そのお肉によって一番いい焼き加減でお客様に食べていただく。
安心します。
ね
え、ベストが提供される。
本当に。
まずお肉の味をしっかり味わっていただきたいんで、お塩で召し上がってください。よかったら2枚目2口目にわさびですね。静岡の宇東木という場所から本わさび、こちら使っているので、この本わさびを使って召し上がってください。
That is really juicy. It doesn't feel too fatty to me.
Yeah, there is some fat, but it's not heavy at all.
The wasabi is not spicy.
It's not spicy. And
Yes.
you can really enjoy the aroma of the fresh wasabi.
This was a really wonderful meal, and if any of you guys want to try this as well, it's actually available to book really easily on buyfood.com, and we've made it super easy, so we actually have a QR code on the screen now. All you have to do is scan it. If you're watching on the TV or on the computer, scan it with your phone, and it'll take you directly to the booking site.
It's really worth it, and it's quite affordable, so.
I think so. For what
Yeah.
you get,
For Wagyu,
A5 grade brand Wagyu beef course, I think it's a really worth it
amazing.
experience.
Yeah, she's got, only if there's a way where I can just like bring this Wagyu home back to LA to my family and friends.
That actually, now that you mention it, there is a brand new service that's provided by ZIPAIR, and they actually are going to help you bring your Wagyu beef that you buy in Japan and take it back to your home country. And they're actually letting us go check out the process of how you would do that. So I'm gonna take you to the airport, and then we're gonna learn about how we can bring Wagyu beef back home to your home country.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go to the airport. Let's go. We made it. We are now here at Narita Airport.
Narita.
Yay! So basically, for those of you who are coming from the US or Singapore or often travel back and forth from those countries between Japan, there is a really cool service available at Narita now, provided by ZIPAIR, which is a Wagyu service that allows you to send the Wagyu beef that you buy here in Japan back to your home country.
I'm so excited for this service because I have grandparents at home back in LA. They're too old to travel, but because of this service, they can enjoy Japanese authentic Wagyu.
That is so sweet. This is the perfect service for anybody who has friends and family back home and you just want to bring back the perfect souvenir. So let's take a look at the process. It's super easy. So all you have to do is first, when you access the ZIPAIR website, there you can select which product you want and your departure date, and then you can just reserve your product. It's super easy. But one thing that you should remember is that you have to reserve at least 72 hours before your departure.
So don't forget, a tip for you, make sure to reserve as soon as you find out your return flight.
Yes, that is very important because otherwise you might not even be able to bring back your Wagyu beef that you bought. So always reserve early.
72 hours.
Yes. And then as soon as you arrive at the airport, all you have to do is just head over to the check-in counter with your passport and you're ready to go. It's big, wow.
And this is your Wagyu.
Okay.
So please check the photo. And this is your order number. Yes. You ordered one Wagyu. Okay. So please sign here. Thank you. And then. Oh, it's here.
Yay! Oh my goodness.
Please pick up this Wagyu at the baggage claim area in Los Angeles Airport.
Amazing. All right, so no hassle and you get to take home some amazing beef to your friends.
Yeah.
All right.
We don't have to worry about getting in trouble.
Exactly. All right, now all we have to do is get on the plane and pick up our Wagyu beef. Let's go.
Let's go.
Going to Los Angeles. Yay, we have arrived in America! We are unfortunately not actually in America right now, but when you land, all you have to do is go to baggage claim as you normally would do and pick up your Wagyu beef on the conveyor belt. It's super, super easy.
It's so simple.
It's amazing, and ZIPAIR really takes care of absolutely everything. They will handle customs, quarantine, so you don't have to do anything, and they don't even count your Wagyu beef as a checked baggage, so there's no additional cost.
Our box has arrived.
There it is!
Yes,
Oh my gosh! It
Let's
made
pick
it!
up. Yoisho!
Yay, we have it!
And just like that, you pick up the box and your meat is ready to bring home.
Yay! That is amazing. So let's take this home and we'll actually cook this meat and see how it tastes. All right, we are back and we've got ourselves a kitchen to cook our Wagyu beef in.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yay!
Are you ready to cook?
I am excited, a little nervous.
Yes. Have you actually cooked like a fancy Wagyu beef before?
No, I haven't. That's why I'm nervous. I don't want to mess it up.
The Wagyu beef actually arrives frozen, of course, but we have one prepared that is already thawed. Basically, we want to get like one good chunk. We're probably going to do a third of the beef. So we're going to cut like just after this fatty point here.
Hold on.
This is quite hard to
I'm
cut.
not a professional, so go
No
easy on
worries.
me.
And then push forward
Okay.
as
Oh.
well. Yes. Oh, well done.
I got it.
That was really well done.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually.
Oh,
I thought
good.
it'd be like harder, but
There you go. It's the magic of Wagyu. All right, so we've turned up the heat. We're gonna heat up the pan for a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grill it for like 30 seconds
alright.
on one side after we've heated the pan with the fat. Woo! We're gonna do 2 at once. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good.
Sizzling.
Woo! Oh my
You're
gosh,
right,
there's a lot of fat. Okay. And then we'll flip this way.
Smells delicious though.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing! Perfectly medium rare on the inside. I'm gonna try and slice it kind of like they do at the restaurants. Kind of a little bit at an angle. Ooh! Oh my gosh!
This is wonderful.
It looks like
Beautiful.
tartare almost. It looks so good. We did it, and it
did
was
it.
really, really easy, but now it's time to give it a try. And we're gonna dip it in some salt like they do at the restaurant.
I feel like I'm not gonna go with the salt first. I want to enjoy it by itself.
Oh my gosh, there is so much like umami and richness from that beef.
Yeah. We're like probably like really overwhelmed right now because it's really good.
It is so delicious. The fat is marbled so beautifully. I really love it with a little hint of salt on there. It was perfect.
Thanks to the meat. This is A5 Wagyu, so.
Your cutting skills are now like professional quality, I think. You want to try it with some salt? It's
Yeah,
also
let's try
really, really tasty.
Brings out more of the flavor of the meat.
Yes, I agree. I think just like a little touch of salt is
Wow.
perfect. Well done. I think we both did pretty well today.
I think so.
Well, that was so delicious, and thank you so much for joining me for the video today, Lena.
Well, thank you for having me.
Of course.
It was great to learn about ZIPAIR's new service and actually get a hands-on experience of it. Being with you with cherry on top.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
you.
Likewise, it was really cool to learn about, and I thought it was so much fun that we got to go to a restaurant, try the actual professional cooking of the Wagyu beef, and then try cooking it at home ourselves.
If you'd like this service become available to you, let us know in the comments where you're from and if you're interested.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know. Give us a like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And make sure to check out Lena's new series on our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for being here. We'll see you guys in another video.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Yay. If you enjoyed this adventure, click the photos on the left for more fun Japan videos and click the one on the right to book the restaurant featured in this video. Bye.